Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for POPCAT price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And let's take a look, of course, at POPCAT, where it might happen in the next few hours, days, weeks, and even months. So exactly here what we got before was the start of POPCAT. We got an impulse, which it can be a wave A, and then we got a wave a B, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 wave C towards the upside, a B, and a C, finishing, of course, this impulse in 5 waves. Meaning you have finished at least a wave A here in 3 waves. Now you would like to see, of course, a 3-wave corrective towards the downside, and this is exactly what we got probably here as an A B, and a C, of course, in this bearish scenario where you have a very strong zigzag towards the downside. We got a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for your wave A, and then ABC, very shallow corrective, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, probably one more leg as expected here. So we're gonna see what's gonna be. Are we gonna get this leg, one more leg, and then moving towards the upside, or are we gonna move directly towards the upside? Because probably as well, yeah, I mean, it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 here, this small wave 4, but we're gonna check this on the lower time frame, of course, to get much more accurate price action. So we're gonna here we see, of course, higher prices definitely. Anyway, with this lower low, I mean one more low, we're gonna move for higher definitely, because we have, of course, 3 waves up. In case you have finished here a correction, 3 waves toward the upside, and you have 3 waves down, you're gonna move, of course, massively toward the upside. Let us say, of course, that whatever it happened here, let's remove it, and start counting from here and thinking that this is a bearish scenario 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In case you have an impulse as a wave 1 here, let's say we're starting counting just from here, your wave 2 has to come back to here as well, meaning as well higher prices. And that's why I always say in both case scenario, we might see higher prices. Okay, so basically, if you are in 1, 2, you would like to see a wave 2 towards the upside between those perfect fib levels and moving towards the downside again impulsively, or probably, let's say, if even it is an ABC zigzag, is a big wave A B, and a C, you can see exactly what's gonna happen as well. 3 waves up perfectly in the 0.5 fib level for a wave B, which is perfect for a zigzag, and moving, of course, impulsively again towards the downside for a wave C. Meaning 3 waves up, 3 waves down, continuation as well towards the upside. This is for the next cycles, but yeah. Basically, let's see what's going on here. First, I'm gonna go through inside this impulse toward the downside here, where we potentially, let's have check here A. Okay, this is your wave B expanding flat, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Let's see if this is eligible to be a wave 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Your wave 4 can be A, B, and a C, and then 1, 2, 3. Okay, yeah, here it could be a leading diagonal probably. So again, we have expanding flat for wave B here, right? This is our wave B, and then we're looking for an impulse 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's say our wave 3 finished here, A, B, C, then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and then very shallow wave 2. Probably. Very probable. I mean, let's dive even deeper. Again, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Here is your C, 4. Let's see this wave 4. Here we go. A, B, and a C, or W, X, and a Y, because it looks like a zigzag. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yes, it is an impulse. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for wave 3, 4, 5. Yes, finished. Yes, very nice. Okay, finished impulse, I would say. It could be a finished impulse towards the downside, meaning ABC can be finished. Now we look, of course, for higher prices here impulsively. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And if we are in an A B, and a C, 1, 2, 3, yes, perfect, expanding flat. So here we go, A, B, and a C, and then you have probably here 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5, probably, guys. Or it can be a wave C as well, as a zigzag. So yeah, basically we have bottomed for POPCAT probably here, and we're moving for higher. However, let me check again now in the latest price action. We have a double 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my god, why it has dropped massively? Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Interfering. Okay, if this is your wave 1 of this impulse, it has interfered massively inside it. That's not nice. I don't know what's going on for the cat in POPCAT. So it looks like, yeah, something else is unfolding here. Yeah, can it be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as leading diagonal? Possible. Everything is possible, but I mean, this invalidation is not nice. So we have to count right now like a finished correction, and then moving toward the downside, one more low, probably as extension. It can be, guys. It can be an extension, of course, for POPCAT. So be careful with it. One more low is still possible. Yeah, still possible just because of this invalidation. One more low is still very possible, and unless as well this can be still corrective, like this A, B, and a C, without taking the low. Yeah, it still can be possible. Okay, let's put this some fib level, some invalidation points, and so on as usual for the trading here. So wave 2 impulse. All right, these are the perfect fib level for a wave 2, meaning if we still come back here between those fib level without touching the 886, meaning we're still looking for higher prices. Okay, whatever it happened here. Okay, so if something happens, something like this, moving toward the downside, hitting here and start the formation again of an impulse, that could be, of course, a good signal for higher prices. And by the way, what happened here, I know that it has been invalidated directly, but it shows some strengths. It's a signal of strength here for POPCAT, meaning the market in POPCAT still looking for higher starting from this area. Yeah, whether lower or this area, there is a lot of buyers in this area who has started, of course, to have some psychology with POPCAT towards the upside. Okay, so basically we want to stay inside this green box, 0.18, 0.19. The 0.17 is not good. It's not good. Of course, we're gonna take the low. How much low? Yeah, it depends, of course, on this impulse. In case this is an impulse again, but look, I mean, we cannot even take it as a leading diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it is a leading diagonal for your ABC. Sorry. It is a leading diagonal for your A, B, and a C. And then, of course, yeah, finishing 3 waves down, probably 3 waves up, and then one more impulse towards the downside. You don't want to leave outside this box from the lower part, of course, but you want to leave from the upper part for a bullish scenario. And yeah, if we see higher prices, very, very probable. I mean, I'm not sure if I have to take the invalidation from this one. I mean, it can be, guys, it can be like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. That means the invalidation still not yet taken. But if we take it, of course, on the 15-minute chart, you see another 1, 2, and then 3, and then 4. Yeah, so the 4 has interfered in this one. But if I want to take it like this, like 1, 2, 3, I mean 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, if I have to take this as an invalidation point, I would say, all right, it still has some chance, but I cannot, because you have to find the latest 1, 2 as an impulse. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 interfering. Not good, but of course still corrective. But I don't say that 100% we're gonna take the low. I say higher probability is that in this area we're still very, very bullish. Okay, whatever it ends here, however it ends, okay, it might take some time even, but it looks impulsive toward the downside anyway, so I think it's gonna end very soon. I think from this area, we're gonna move for higher, guys. Yeah. Unless we take the 886. Be careful from it. Anyway, you cannot take a trade. No financial advice. You cannot take the trade just by seeing the price inside this box. Inside this box, plus 5 waves up, 3 waves down, continuation, breaking this high. This is your confirmation. This is where safely you can enter a trade. No financial advice again. So this has to repeat in any area, even starting from here, even above it, any area here until the 886. Now the 886, if it has been touched, of course 50% still bullish for leading a diagonal, but not impulse, not an impulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these 3, 4, and a 5 transform to a leading diagonal, which is a little bit boring, but yeah, still a formation of a bullish scenario. 1, 2, and then 3 towards the upside. Okay, so these are the insights for POPCAT. Let's watch this area. We're still not ready yet for bullish, but it is a bullish formation in all means. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.